In this tutorial, I will show how you can read file, and the read file will be synchronous process. Synchronous process means it execute one thing at a time. So let's see the example, then you can better understand. So first of all, I will create a file inside our node project folder. So here this is the file icon, and I will create a file, and here I will create a text file. So I will add a name of this file lorem.txt text file. Okay, and inside this text file I will add some text like hello, how are you. Okay, I am added here this text and save, and now I will read this text in our app.js file. So let's see how we can do it. So first of all, here I have to import a package, and the package name is fs. Fs means file system. So this is the default package. So I will write a variable const fs. Fs is the variable name, and require, when we import any package, then we write keyword require, and the package is fs. Okay, and this is the synchronous process I am showing here. So first of all, here I will write a console.log, and I will show a message file read started. I am showing this message, and now here I will write another variable var input, and inside this variable I will write fs. Fs means this fs. So fs dot read file sync, because this is a synchronous process, and here inverted comma, and which file I want to read, lorem.txt file. So lorem.txt, and now here console.log, and inside this console.log I will convert it into string. This text file I will convert into string. So this I assign this lorem.txt file inside this input variable. So I will copy this input variable. So input dot to string, this is a JavaScript syntax, to string to convert string, and parenthesis and in semicolon. And now here I will write another message in console.log, and here I will write a message file read completed. Okay, now everything is done, and here just I will run my project. So node, and the project file name is app. Okay, so when I will run this app file, then it will be shown this hello, how are you, this text file, because I am reading this text file here, and this synchronized process. So node app. So you can see first showing the message file read started, because this is the synchronized process. So it's printed out this line by line. So first it's showing this message console.log file read started, and after that it's reading this text file. So lorem.txt, where I had written hello, how are you. So here you can see it's printed hello, how are you, and after that it's printed file read completed. So this is the synchronized process. That's why it's printed in line by line. And if it was asynchronous process, then it's printed which is executing first. So in the next tutorial I will show how you can write it asynchronous process. So hope guys this video is helpful to you, and if you want to get more videos in Node.js, so please subscribe and press the bell icon also.